Small video on a small toy. Popeye tin wind-up boat. It's pretty cool. It's a nice little boat. Comes in this nice little box. As we were saying in the background, 96 it says. I think that's pretty cool. Will blow me down. Good stuff. Open up the box. And there's Popeye in the little boat. Alright. And we'll take him out of the boat. Okay. And it's a nice little tin boat. Little tin. Alright, has a key in there. It's attached to the boat, the key. Like I say, pretty cool. Little propeller in the back, and that's basically all that happens with the boat. The propeller spins. Lock it up. And the propeller in the back spins. Pretty cool. Not bad. Not a bad little toy. Okay. Cute. Okay, see you later.